Why premium cubes are a scam. So let's say you're a JPerm fan and you want to buy his premium RS3M 2020. It costs $25 and it's lubed with Weight One and Lunar. But instead, for a much better deal, you can buy the RS3M 2020 that's not premium setup and it costs $9. The lubricants that were used to lube this, which are Lunar, and that costs $6. And Weight One, which also costs $6. So, if you compare these, you can clearly see which one of those are the best, is the best deal. So, $25 for a premium cube, or $21, and you can lube the cube yourself. And also, keep in mind that, assuming that you put 20 drops, or no, let's say 25 drops of lube inside a cube, which is probably more than necessary, but let's just compare that. So that would be equal to 1.25 milliliters, and you only get 1.25 milliliters for $25, or in other words, $16 extra. But you can instead pay only $12 extra, but get 10 cc of, or 10 milliliters of lube, which is at least like 8 times or 8 to 7 times better for the price. So, for this specific example, buying the lube separately from the cube would be a much better deal than just buying the cube. And JPerm even says it himself.
A non-speed cube, I guarantee you getting a real speed cube will instantly make you faster and will make learning so much easier. For which cube you should get, my recommendation is the JPerm RS3M 2020. This is on Speedcube Shop for $25. It's professionally set up, and that way you don't have to worry about lubing or tensioning it to be correct. So that is my biased answer. If you want my unbiased answer, it's the RS3M 2020. This is for only $9, but you'll have to set it up and lube it yourself, and if you don't lube it yourself, then it's going to start getting worse over time.
Okay, that's one example, but how about, I don't know, let's say you don't order from Speedcube Shop because of, I don't know, reasons, and you like the cubicle cubes more. So here's the Mystic Worm that costs $49, and then if you scroll down, it is lubed with Traxxas 10K, and Mystic, and DNM 47. So, let's compare those. But first, let's take a look at the prices. So, Traxxas 10K for 5cc costs $9. Lubical Labs Mystic costs $5. And same thing with DNM 37. And then, by the way, I said 47, but it's 37. And finally, here is the Moyu Weilong Worm for $39 for the stock version. So here we have the two options. So first of all is the Mystic Worm for $49. That's premium setup. And here's the stock version of the worm plus the 3 lubes, and in total it costs $54. And you're wondering, oh, well, this is a higher price than this, so obviously the Mystic Worm must be better than the stock version worm. And well, after you buy the lubes to lube the stock version. But actually, it's not accurate, because this is still worth it. So the thing is, the Mystic Worm, as we did in the previous calculation, has around 25 drops, or 1.25 milliliters of lube, as you may see here. And if you divide the total amount of lube that you get, divided by the amount it takes to lube your cube once, which is around 25 drops, you can lube your cube for 13 times. Like, dude, holy crap. So we can then rephrase this option. So would you rather pay $49 for a premium cube, or pay $5 extra and be able to lube your cube 12 more times than this? Or 11 more times, technically. I think the answer is pretty clear. It's obviously buying the lubes separately from the puzzle, instead of buying the premium version, is much better of a deal. And by the way, I ran out of ink when I wrote this, so I had to switch pencils. Sad. Anyways, so yeah, I'll keep in mind that this is just my opinion. Although it's quite objective, there are probably some subjective parts that were included. So yeah, but I mean, let me know what you think. Do you think that premium cubes are actually worth it, or are they a scam? So, it's up to you. This video was not made to convince you, but just to let you know that there might be a better option than just buying a premium cube. So, anyways, this is my probably highest quality content for quite some time. Probably the most time I've put into a video. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, maybe like and subscribe. Maybe. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Peace out, guys.